Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Quick Assist security code problem on Windows 11. First, open Quick Assist from the Start menu. After opening Quick Assist, you may see your Microsoft account at the top of the window. Now, look at the middle of the screen. You will see the option Share this security code. Below this option, Quick Assist will display a security code. This is the code that you need to share with the person you want to help. You can click Copy Code to copy the security code easily. Now send this code to the other person. They will enter this code in their Quick Assist window to start the connection. Also notice the message showing that the code will expire after a certain amount of time. This means the security code is temporary and cannot be used after it expires. If the other person says that the security code is not working, first make sure you have shared the correct code. You can also click Copy Code again and send the current code to them. If the code has already expired, close this screen and create a new security code. Then share the new code with the other person. Make sure they enter the code exactly as shown on your screen. Once the correct security code is entered before it expires, Quick Assist can continue with the connection. So if you are having a Quick Assist security code problem, check the code carefully, make sure it has not expired, and create a new code if necessary. That's it for this quick guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials.